It's an overdrive 15 speed. Hi, Jared Campbell with Classic Touches. I've made this twin stick kit. Works with 13 speeds and 18 speeds. It also works with 15 speeds. Today I'm going to demonstrate how it will work with a 15 speed. I don't have a truck with a 15 speed in it, so we're going to pretend to be driving this truck like a 15 speed. I've got the wheels chalked. I've got somebody back there turning the tires so that it'll slip into gear right. And we're going to pretend to drive this 15 speed. So 15 speed, this would be your regular low, this would be your deep reduction, this would be your top half of the transmission. This position here, that high split position, that would be blocked off mechanically in the twin stick mechanism. So we're going to start out, we got to start the truck. Well, it's obviously got a push button start because it's a 15 speed truck. Just start with deep reduction. Got a heavy load on, I guess. You can start turning the tire now. Turn the tire. She's not listening to me. Start turning the tire. Okay, so deep reduction, put it in first gear. It's an overdrive 15 speed. Then we come back down, flip the Jake brake on. Come to a stop, we get deep reduction again. Start out first. Jake brake. that's how it would work with a 15 speed. All the truck noises make me cough. Thanks. So that's how the Classic Touches Twinstick Kit would work with a 15 speed. Also, we now have available at classictouches.net Classic Touches t-shirts and Classic Touches hats. So go to classictouches.net and check it out. Follow us on Facebook and on YouTube. And let me know what you think about the Classic Touches Twinstick Kit in the comments. Thanks for watching.